Next week, Bermuda's Brazilian Football School will be hosting the 3rd annual HSBC BBFS Prep School College Festival. This year, we've seen the program grow with the sponsorship of HSBC again as the lead sponsor, supported by the Exile Group and Emlyn. Their funds have made it possible for Bermuda's youth student athletes age 11 to 17, 18, middle school, high school, and even Bermuda College to attend this athletic and academic event for free. We're having 4 university coaches coming overseas from North America, 2 boarding schools. One is Sitwell in France, that is the school of Obama's daughter, so a very elite school coming here with their girls varsity coach. And we also have 2 UK Academy Scouts. One is Carl Griffin, who used to play for Portsmouth and Manchester City, and he is now a scout for one of the EPL academies. In all, the students are going to be receiving information on SATs, PSAT, how to enter college. More Bermudians are getting off to boarding school, so they're going to be taught about the boarding school process and what's required. And then, of course, if there are any elite players or those who have an ambition, they can get first-hand information on what it's really like once you leave Bermuda's waters and go overseas, what's expected of you. But more importantly, we have the academic component where all of the players were selected by the schools, and some of our youth club members were also selected by the club coaches to come and be part of this great event.
Now, this is your 3rd year. What are the numbers like this year for the event?
We average about 95 to 100 students each year. That's about the maximum we can take in partnership with the coaches and make sure that each student is looked after properly. And more importantly, the selection and criteria is based on having good academic standing in your school, having good conduct and behavior, and also having some football ability. So it's not about being an elite player, but having an interest, good academic grades, and conduct, because once you leave Bermuda to go to school, that's what's required of you.
Now, the Bermuda Brazilian Football School is also in schools. You have programs working with schools. How is that program working out thus far?
The program is working out fantastic. Again, HSBC takes a lead on the schools program. The kids receive information, maybe not directly academic during the school day because they're receiving it from the teachers, but we come with the life skills component, staying away from drugs, gangs, making sure that they are good citizens. And then we bring it all together with this premier event, and having HSBC, the Exile Group, and Emlyn come on board to make it free, especially in this tough economic climate, but also in this difficult social climate, that kids can be in a healthy, positive environment, learning about the sport they love, learning about improving themselves as citizens of the future for Bermuda and in the world, and also being able to have academic and even pro players, expert players come towards them for information. And hopefully, as always, there will be some students that will be seen as potential candidates for academic and even pro opportunities.
All right, well, good luck next week.
Thank you very much.